well. I am currently on my way to my salon because they are sending me out to do hair and makeup for a client. She has an event today. I'm really excited because I've done her hair and makeup a bunch before and she's really sweet. I'm pumped today because I got a lot done already and it's 111. I started the morning calling the Division of Taxation because I needed to figure out the new sales tax, like login information and all that stuff. They completely switched it in New Jersey, so I had to just basically create, not a new profile, but I had to link my profile to something so I could pay my sales tax for my business. My business is separate from like the hair and makeup. My business is jewelry and resin and bookmarks and like stationery, stuff like that. So I had to do that this morning. That was the task because I was on hold for probably a half hour, then probably on the phone for a half hour. So it probably took about an hour. Then I created more earrings and I'll show you guys here. They're so pretty, but I can't bake them yet. I'm gonna have to wait until I get home later to bake them because I have to bake for at least 1 hour. And I just did not have the time this morning. It got away from me. I had to do a couple other chores. I picked up the cat's toys. I cleared everything off the floor. I had to do my makeup quick, get dressed. You know, I took a body shower, did all of that. So I did a lot this morning and I am just eating for the first time. This is my breakfast, this protein shake. And I don't recommend that. I definitely recommend eating at least one time in the morning and then lunch. So you get like your 3 meals a day or whatever. This is just where the day took me. I'm starving. I can't wait to drink this shake. And then when I leave the client's house, I have to stop at the bank. And I'm debating if I want to go to my mom's house today or tomorrow to pick up my Halloween decorations. I might make this vlog a 2-day vlog so that I could pick up maybe my holiday decorations, which will be my Halloween and fall stuff, tomorrow and then decorate tomorrow. And then tonight will just be a chill night. I'll probably make tacos or something because it's Tuesday. So I'll see you guys when I get back from my client's house. So I just got to my client's house, but I wanted to quickly say that I want to get some kind of tripod that I could put right here so that it like stays here. And then I guess the things like this, and then I stick my phone on it. But the problem is I want the back camera to show because you could do the 0.5 view and it's better quality. So I think I'm just gonna have to get a regular one that like hugs the phone instead of the magnetic ones, which is kind of annoying. I can get the magnetic one if I want it to be like right here, but I don't know. I'm just thinking of what to get. I'm gonna have to look at Amazon and TikTok Shop and see what they got. Just getting around to baking my clay and eating my breakfast because my girlfriend let me sleep in. I didn't set an alarm, so it's my fault too. But I did not mean to sleep in this late, but I have had a crazy weekend and just some crazy days, so I'm just catching up on some sleep. I never sleep this late. Usually I sleep by like, I was up by 6:30 feeding the cats and I was like, I could be ready to go right now, but I was like, no, let my body just rest. I don't feel groggy, which is good because sometimes I'll feel groggy. Just have kind of like morning voice right now, but that's it. But I'm getting ready to eat my 000 Oikos mixed berry protein yogurt, 15 grams of protein. I'm gonna have a protein shake with it, and that'll be 30 grams, I believe, of protein. So I start my morning with pretty much like 15 grams of protein, which is my goal and what I've been trying to do, and it's just gonna aid in my weight loss. I'm gonna do a workout early today. I was gonna get a haircut today for my friend, but I don't think it's gonna work out because we have to bring my one cat, the smaller one, my baby, to the vet just for another shot that he needs. I'm thinking I'm just not gonna have time for her to cut my hair, so I have a wedding on Saturday for one of my really good friends from high school, so I wanted her to blow out my hair, but maybe she'll just cut it and blow it out on Friday for me. so that I can just have it washed and blown out for Saturday when the girl styles it, because I decided I'm just gonna do makeup. I'm not gonna do my own hair too. It's just gonna be too stressful the morning of. I don't want to do too many things morning of. I just want to relax and have fun with them. Okay, so I'm home from Target. I got the 7th generation Ultra Power enzymes. I got the scrub that I showed you, and then I got my girlfriend the razor heads that she needed. And now I've decided that I'm going to eat pasta. I'm gonna make that for dinner. This one's following me around because he's hungry. I think I'm gonna make, I wish I had enough to make ziti. Oh, I should have got ricotta at Target. I would have just made a cute little ziti right now. But we don't have any ricotta, we used it. We do have mozzarella, so I'll have that. We don't really have any vegetables. That's so sad to say. I was just out. I could have totally gotten some stuff. I guess I'm just having pasta with sauce, and I have these sweet potato burger things that I can make with it. Very yummy. That's probably about it. I could do a macaroni and meat. Ooh, maybe I'll do a macaroni and meat. For those of you that don't know, I'm pescatarian, so I don't eat any ground beef, pork, chicken. Well, I only eat fish and all non-meat vegetarian options, basically. Boil some water. I am really craving chili. And I know we're gonna get to that season soon where I'll be making some chili. Really in the mood for it right now. So that's gonna take a second to boil. I'm only gonna make probably half of this. The thing that sucks is I wish they made like mini ones of this, because my girlfriend doesn't love red sauce, which I don't know how she doesn't love red sauce. She's dating an Italian, but she likes it in ziti, but she doesn't love it. Like she would just, she would rather have like a lemon pasta, lemon butter, or like something with just cheese. She's just not a big red sauce fan. She loves vodka sauce, I believe, but yeah, she's just not a big red sauce person. So I kind of waste the sauce sometimes, which is frustrating, but they don't make smaller ones, so I kind of have to. I'm gonna make this ground beef, fake ground beef. Also, we put contact paper down and didn't finish it ever. We did that months ago, so we should really get on that. This is the sauce that I'm using. Yes, it's jarred sauce. Yes, I'm Italian. Please don't come for me. I don't have all the ingredients nor the funds to constantly make my own sauce. So this will do. Also, I was gonna just easily get like a big Stouffer's lasagna tonight to make for dinner, but they don't have any of them without meat sauce anymore. They have a veggie one, and I think they have a 5 cheese or a 4 cheese, but they don't have just a regular cheese one anymore. And I used to eat that all the time. I would get that. I mean, before I stopped eating meat, I would just get regular, but like with the meat sauce, which was delicious. The worst thing for me to be eating, but so I would eat that. I would like go to cheer practice, you know, probably burn 500 calories or so, and then come home and eat that like the whole thing. One serving, but you know, like the whatever. I would eat the one whole thing. And then wondered why I never lost weight. But while this cooks, oh, you know what I didn't get at the store? I didn't get a poppy. I'm so spoiled with my poppies. I go to Costco to get the case, but we try to not go to Costco all the time just because we end up just spending so much money there and like wasting half the food because there's only 2 of us. This angle is just gonna have to do because I don't have a tripod right now. I broke it at my last market, but my girlfriend is coming over, one of my friends is coming over to cut my hair right now, and I'm very excited because I just want like a trim. I don't need anything crazy, but I don't know if you can see, like, I just need like a little bit of a trim and just a little bit like off my face frame, tiny bit of shaping in the back. I have my friend's wedding this Saturday that I'm very excited for. I'm in the wedding. I think I told you guys I am getting my hair done. I'm doing my own makeup. I'm going to be able to just blow it out on Friday, have it clean, and then go there. But I wanted to have a haircut so that it would just, I don't know, it just feels better when I have a haircut. Looks a little cleaner, looks a little better. Excited to finally get a haircut. And actually, this friend of mine has never done my hair before. She's blown it out, but she's never cut it before. So I'm very excited for that. She always does such an amazing job on everyone's hair. So I'm very excited for her to cut mine. Also, I'm thinking I'm going to add to this sauce. That's usually what I do if I do use a jarred sauce. I just add some of my own seasonings. I'll do some more garlic powder. I'll do some salt. I added the salt. I just needed 2 hands. Italian seasoning. And I'm going to put some on the meat as well. I'll put some garlic on the meat as well. Oh, I'm doing this with my left hand. That's not good. All right, that's almost boiled. I'm gonna throw the pasta in a minute. So excited for this dinner. I'm so hungry. Okay, so I made this little thing where I can just refill with the laundry pod, so I didn't have to open the bag every time. And I know it's another one. I got this one instead, but I'm just gonna leave this here just because I already cut it out. It's my little hack. Look at this handsome boy. His brother's at the vet. I wonder how he feels about that. Part of me thinks he's happy. Get a little alone time. It's okay. He'd feel that way. It's okay. I feed ya. Oh, look at this. He had to have a shaved belly because if you guys saw my last video, he had pancreatitis and needed an ultrasound. Are you gonna make biscuits on my belly? Oh, that's so nice. I love you. Pasta's boiling. How good does that meat sauce look? Oh, it looks so good. Workout now. It's a 30-minute HIIT workout with Grow with Joe. I'll put her channel here. She honestly has been such an inspiration for me. I feel like I always get my steps in and I am never in pain after a workout. I always feel better. And she teaches you little stretches to do after workouts, and she teaches you how to get into like that deep core, engaging your deep core to do certain exercises. And I usually just love all her workout videos. So I'm gonna do one of hers. And then I'm going to do my skincare routine. I'm wearing this headband because it helps the sweat since I already showered earlier today because I'm a head sweater. This used to have a little ghost on it. I wish it still did. It came off in the wash one day. So sad. But I usually watch it on my iPad, but my iPad is dead right now. So I'm just going to do the workout on my phone. I probably won't get a clip of me actually working out. Next time I'll have my iPad charged and I'll get a clip of everything. That one's tense. Guys, it is the next day now. After my workout, I was so tired. I took a quick body shower and I literally didn't even do my skincare routine. Like, I just knocked out. It was just such a good workout I did yesterday. Today I'm working, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I'm probably gonna do another vlog for my friend's wedding on Saturday, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye.